My name is Wouter Garot. I was born in Jakarta, Indonesia, and I have a background in material science, and I studied at the University of Bath in England. This is a story of 30 years of silicon. I started with Rolled Alloys, which is an American company out of Detroit in the United States. And I visited many petrochemical companies and furnace building companies. I was approached by one of my customers who asked me if I was able to manufacture refractory anchors from the alloys that I was selling. Well, after looking into it, I discovered that there were not many people that were manufacturing it. In this industry, you need a hard head, especially when you're working with metal. So I suggested to my company at that time if they were interested to manufacture these products. My boss said it couldn't be done, so I decided to start myself. Now, in a world that's dominated by consumer products, people don't quite see what goes on in the industry behind the scenes. The world consists of more than just personal electronics, fancy cars, fancy restaurants. There's a big structure in place where we perform our duties for society. We are one of the cogs in the big machine. What we make are fastening systems for insulation at high temperatures. We supply to small companies, large companies. Everybody who's involved in high temperatures needs our products. Dealing with the competition is quite an interesting subject on its own, because it's very difficult for a customer to be able to compare apples with apples. They do not see the product when they inquire for it or when they order it. It usually goes directly into the furnace and they don't see what they've been getting or what they have ordered. Most of the competition actually started as one of our agents that we have trained and educated and also given the scientific advantages of our products. They subsequently broke off from us and commenced their own business against us. Since they've broken off from us, we have moved ahead and developed anchoring systems to a much greater standard, and they have remained behind to supply whatever they can supply and whatever they can copy from what they see in the market. We have always been the source of anchoring systems, source of ideas, and we are the team to beat. I'm not in it just for the profit. It's my passion to service the industry with these new products and to help installations be more efficient and more productive. If I had to sum up the difference between us and any other company in our branch, I would say it's innovation. Even though our edge is innovation, our success comes from delivering what we promise. To be able to deliver, we need vast stocks, and we have at any time between 250 to 300 tons of raw materials in stock to be able to deliver to any location around the world within 24 hours. A little bit more than I can carry.